Hello class, this is Professor Munshi and welcome to Incident Response and Handling class ITSY 2442. Your section number, whatever that may be, is the same instruction that I'm going to give you. I made this video or making this right now to help you navigate through the course to find out all the tasks, assignments that you need to do, find out all the resources that will help you both on eCampus and also inside the courseware. And I believe that if you watch this video, if you are new to any one of those, either eCampus or to the courseware, it's going to really help you get started smoothly. So what I'm going to discuss here first on eCampus, all your syllabus announcements, class discussions, how to access the courseware, how to find out the video resources and get how to get help. While in the courseware, I'll discuss the lessons that you need to read to learn, the quizzes and the labs and exams, how to find them, and also kind of demonstrate some of it, how to do them also. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's go to the eCampus. Once you logged in to your eCampus, you're going to see, if you click on the courses and select the summer of 2022 or whatever your semester is, you're going to find this kind of screen, which we are in summer right now. So you're going to see all your courses. To select the correct course, in this case, that is Incident Response and Handling, ITSY 2442, click on it. Now I am in the course homepage. From the home page, I can see all these links here. Now I'm going to go one by one very fast because many of you actually know, and so maybe a little bit help you need because each professor will give you different kind of link, and if I help you find out what resources are under which link, that's going to help you find them faster, I guess. Okay, you can always find out this announcement page. That is your landing page. That's how I chose to design this course. Okay, so you're gonna go over my announcements. I'm gonna have every week brand new announcements. Every single week, at least one announcement, if not more than one. So always visit the announcement page. And I also tend to send the announcements via email. So check your email also. Click on, let's go to the next link, syllabus. Straightforward and simple. Most of you already know. Here is your syllabus in the PDF format. You click on it, read the syllabus, download the syllabus. It is very essential, extremely important that you read the syllabus all the way, line by line, okay, and understand it. This is very important. You can download the syllabus by clicking on this download button and save it in your computer. Next. Okay. I was in the syllabus. I don't need that probably. Okay, I could probably close it. Okay. So now let's see where I'm at. Okay. So now I actually closed the whole eCampus. So let me go to the course homepage once again. Okay, choosing the summer, choosing the incident handling. Okay, here I am back. Now, I'm going to go to the assignment page now, assignment link. This is very essential. You will be visiting this page very often, multiple times a week, if not every single day. And here you have the most important thing is the course calendar, course schedule. Okay. Every week you have week by week calendar. Week 1, June 6 to June 12. Next week, week 2 is June 13 to June 19. In this week, these are the assignments. The first week, these are the assignments that are due. So go do each one of them. Make sure that you complete all of them. I edited it. In the beginning, I had a different look of it. I added one paragraph right here. This is newly added. So you have not probably read that one. I modified it. Okay, and I'm going to send you an announcement about that. So you have to complete the pre-assessment quiz found on the courseware. Okay, I didn't have that written. But if you go to the courseware and see what's due this week, you're going to see that pre-assessment anyway. So that is not a surprise, but it was not added in this course calendar. So make sure that you do your class discussion of this week. Make sure you do your pre-assessment, which is only for the first week. And then, of course, learn your module 1, complete the quiz. This part everything that you do in the courseware, I'm going to go to the courseware and show you later in this video. Okay, I wanted to show you at least right now that this is your course calendar, so you know exactly what is due and when they are due. Okay, next, class discussion. So I clicked on the class discussion link, and here is my week number 1 class discussion. You will not be able to see this class discussion after this week passes. It will be invisible to you, it will disappear. So be sure to complete the discussion. Discussions are due on Thursday always. Even if you're late, if you have, if you somehow missed it, you can still do it by Sunday. So make sure that you do this class discussion completed by Sunday. 2 steps you have to take. Step number 1, you create a new thread and answer these questions that I asked this week. And then after you're done, submit the thread and everything. Then you also, step number 2, reply to another student's posting. Okay, so let's take a look at. So I go inside it. I see all these students have posted. Say I am a student, pretend, and I'm going to create a thread. That's how I'm going to start answer my questions from my part. So I create a thread, and then I'm going to type subject and type whatever I need to type, all the answer, and click on submit. That's how I do it. Okay, so going back to the discussion. Okay, now how do I reply? Again, I read one of the students posting here, and I can reply to that post. That's what all you have to do. You just answer my questions yourself, and then you also reply to another student's posting. That's it. So let me go to the next link. Oh, by the way, in the class discussion, if you go a little bit down, you're going to see one more discussion right here. Peer support, help each other. If any student has a question that another student might be able to help, such as like you cannot find where the assignments are, you have a question about technicality, anything, another fellow students may help you. I'm not saying that somebody is going to help you do your assignment. That will be illegal. You cannot copy from each other. Do not plagiarize. Do not do anything illegal. That's not it is for. It is for answering some questions, for some know-how if you did not know how to find things, what it means, things like that. So help you study. Okay, not help do the assignment or do that for you, but help you study. That's fine. You just ask a question to your fellow students, and one may go and answer it. How do you do that? Click on it, peer support, click on it, and then same, create a thread. Once you create a thread, you're going to ask your questions here to your students, and you're going to submit by clicking submit button. Okay, then other students will be able to go and see what questions you asked, and they may reply answering for you, helping you out. Okay, that's what it is for. So here's the class discussion. Now go back. I'm going to go to the next link, course content. That's where you will be able to access the courseware, which is provided by Cengage. And I'm going to go in detail on this one later in this video. So let me move on to the next link, because it's going to take quite some time within the courseware how to do your reading, quiz, exams, and labs. So I'm going to spend some time in here. So now let's go to the next link now. Next link is Professor Munshi. Here you will find this video that I'm doing right now, which I'm not finished yet. So I'm going to later on link this video that I'm doing right now here. As well as off and on, I'm going to create some videos to teach you some concepts, help you study some chapters. I'm going to create those videos as your instructor to help you out. Okay, those videos I will be posting here in this page more and more, like chapter 1, chapter 2, or whatever I want to put. Those videos you're going to find here, your study aid from me. Next, need help. If you're needing help, as I mentioned that you could get help from your classmates, and you can post your question to that forum. To access that forum, you click on this link right here. It's going to take you to the same forum, discussion forum that I showed you, where you can ask a question. Another way to get help is get help from me. I'm your instructor. You could send me an email directly, and I will reply to you. Generally, I reply by the next day, on the same day or next day normally. Okay, sometimes it may take, if you are sending the email in the holiday or off day or in the weekend, maybe I take a little longer, but normally I reply on the same day or next day. That's very standard for me. Okay, And if you think that you need to connect with me virtually, discuss something, you want me to show you how to do something, I'll be happy to help you out. First, email me. Here is my hours. Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Email me first that you need to reserve a slot, 30-minute slot for the appointment. Once I grant you that appointment, then you click on this link on that time, at that time. Okay, here is the link. Then click here to join the meeting. That's how you get help. Okay, test of learning, I am not going to do this one. An additional test I may or may not give, that's, I keep it as an optional, so you don't have to worry about it. If I post a test here, I will announce you in the eCampus first that, hey, I put a customized test for you. Occasionally I may or may not do that. Okay, so now let's visit the courseware and discuss the details within the courseware. So I click on course content, access courseware here provided by Cengage. Click on it, and it says, oops, my pop-up blocker is on, so I need to click here to launch the content. So click here. Here I'm in the Cengage courseware. Okay, so let's see, it's taking a little time. Okay, remember here, the most important thing first, you're going to have, well, I have the edit, you're not going to have that because you're not the instructor, but you will have this view right here. This is the regular view, and this is the rolling week view. This rolling week view will show you what is due in this week and the next week, if I've already posted next week's as well. Okay, so this one is the outline view. Outline view, that's what your typical normal view for your study. And for doing your assignment, you click on this rolling week view. Okay, I can't highlight you enough these two. Just make sure you learn how to switch from the view to view. Okay, so let's go to the outline view. Module 1. Click on the module 1. You're going to always have, every module is organized the same way. Learn it, study it, and apply it. Learn it is where you're going to have your videos. First thing I want you to do is watch the video. Watch this video, watch this video, watch this video. Watch the videos from the Learn It, and then you be sure to read. Here is a reading section. Module 1 overview. So go click on it and actually go ahead and read it. Okay, read through it to learn. Read through it to learn. Okay, so again, I'm going to close this, show you one of the videos. Click on this, watch module 1 video. Okay, so click on the video and actually watch the video. These are short videos, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but very important.
What is information
most of the chapters
security?
are going to have
The
one
definition
or
has
a
changed
few,
over
one or
time.
two or three
Back when
videos like
computers
that.
were the size of
That's going to
small
help you learn
cars,
that
we
chapter.
called it computer security.
So far, summarize again. Under the Learn It, what I want you to do is to watch the videos first, and then second, I want you to read that module. That's all I want you to do from the Learn It. Then go to the Study It. On the Study It, it's good to go through these PowerPoints and the flashcards. Okay, these are for your study, for learning more. I'm not going to grade you for it. This flashcards is super important, super good for you to learn the chapter, learn the definitions. Under the Apply It, that's where I'm going to grade you. Here is a hands-on project, that's your lab, and here's a quiz. Okay, so now, but for you, this is for your study. And when you want to take the quiz or the lab, easier way to go is here. Again, click on this view button, rolling week view. Click on it. Now you see what is due this week. This week, 3 items are due in here. That's your pre-assessment quiz. Then this is your lab hands-on project, and this is your quiz. Okay, quiz is going to be graded right away. Quiz is a multiple choice question, but the project, you're going to actually have to do it. I'm going to show you. You're going to have to download a document, follow to your computer, save this document. You follow the instruction from this Word document, do whatever it's asking you to do, write it, your answer, whatever you need to write according to the instruction. Then you save that file again with your name on it. Later on, you upload that file. I'm going to show you, demonstrate to you. Okay, so first of all, the pre-assessment quiz. I want to tell you the pre-assessment quiz has 30 points. This one, you don't have to pass the quiz. You just have to answer the questions. For this one quiz only, for the pre-assessment only, this rule applies. I'm going to give you full 30 points as long as you answer all the questions, regardless of your score. Whether you answer them right or wrong does not matter. For the pre-assessment quiz only, I'm going to give you the whole 30 points. I'm repeating to make sure that you don't get confused with any other quiz. You're going to get 30 points. Make sure you answer all of them, because this one tests your knowledge before you learn this course. That's why I'm not going to penalize you for wrong answer. Okay, just answer them. Now let me show you the quiz. At the end, I'm going to go to the lab. Quiz is easy and simple. Here's a quiz. Click on it, start, and it's a multiple choice. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 10 questions. You just answer the right answers. Whatever the right answer is, you just answer it and click on the next question number 2. You can click on save to save your answer. Then go to question number 2. Next question, like that. At the end, you're going to submit the assignment for grading. That's all. Okay. So I'm not taking the quiz, so I'm going to exit from here. I'm going to close it. Now, I'm going to show you now how to do the lab. So click on this lab, hands-on project. That's your lab. Every week, you're going to have at least one lab like that. Now, start the assignment. And you have unlimited, on this lab, you have unlimited number of try. So no worries. Start the assignment now. Read it very carefully. Here is your module 1 lab. What you're going to have to do, you download this to your desktop. It's going to give you a document, an instruction. So click on that. Okay, here is a downloading to your computer. So okay, downloading to your computer. Here's a Word document. So let's see what have I downloaded. Enable editing. Okay, let's read through a little bit. Okay, here is my file that I downloaded. I read through it. Objective, estimated time to complete, virtualization. Read through the whole thing. Okay, ethical consideration, very simple. Okay, it's not much that they're asking you to do. It's not scary at all. Once you read it, then you know that they're just giving you some information. They're asking you to do very little, actually. Okay, so here, look, reflection. At the end, in the space below, indicate the virtualization software that you chose to install and explain why you made this choice. So basically, in this lab, they're asking you to install a virtualization software. Okay, virtualization such as from Oracle, they make one. Forgot the name all on a sudden. Okay, a virtual machine, basically your VMware. Okay, you're downloading some kind of virtual machine. So you install the virtual machine in your computer and then answer the question. Just follow the instruction, answer this question at the end, save that file. Once you save that file, question 1, question 2, they're asking you to write something. So make sure you answer them. Reflection. Save it, and then you go back to the save it with your name. Okay, go back here to that lab again, and then submit assignment for grading. Here you're going to choose that file and upload that file. Whatever file that you have chosen, saved file, in whatever folder, go there, select that file, and then after selecting the file, then you submit assignments for grading. That is your this week's lab. Okay, module 1 hands-on project. Okay, so I close that. Okay, so looks like that's all. You have one pre-assessment. Look at the next week. Next week you're not going to have any pre-assessment next week, but you have 2 chapters next week. So one hands-on project here and a quiz from chapter 2. Then another hands-on project and a quiz from chapter 3. 2 chapters you're doing in week number 2. This is what is due. So again, in the rolling week view, that view will give you. So that's it. So you will be able to submit them. If you have any question, any concern, email me. I'm easy to reach. I reply emails. Okay, but you are going to have to do your study. I think that's all for this video. Reach me out if you need anything. Thank you so much, and good luck. Best of luck to the class.